Morning, thanks for joining me on today's live. Today we're going to be talking about eco-friendly products and the myths that are surrounding them. So there's lots of myths around eco-friendly products, and I'm going to come to a few kind of top tips at the end, but I kind of just want to talk to you about what is an eco-friendly product, why do some companies pretend or put their product across as eco-friendly when it's in fact not, and how to tell whether it's eco-friendly or not. So let's get started. So today we're going to be talking about eco-friendly products. So what is an eco-friendly product? An eco-friendly product is a product that is not harmful to the environment in any way, shape or form. So that kind of goes deeper than the chemical that's in the bottle or the paper that's in the packaging. It's about not only how the chemical is manufactured, the amount of water that's wasted when it's manufactured, the harmfulness of the chemical or not harmfulness of the chemical to the environment, but it's also about kind of other stuff, about the transportation. You know, are the vehicles that are transporting this product completely full? Is there kind of any wastage in terms of space within those vehicles? But also the packaging. Is the packaging eco-friendly? Is it from recycled materials? Is it the most economical, ecological, best way to package this item? So that's kind of what eco-friendly is. So not harmful to the environment in any way, shape or form in terms of wastage, transportation, or least harmful to the environment in terms of transportation. So there's lots of kind of transportation companies now that have a kind of a zero carbon footprint. So anything that's kind of eco-friendly would be transported in that kind of terms. So that's what kind of eco-friendly is. So there are loads of companies that say this product is eco-friendly. That is a claim that anybody can make. I can pick up a bottle of bleach and say to you, this product is eco-friendly. But the whole nature of bleach and the way in which bleach is formulated, bleach is a high acid product. It's going to be dangerous. If I pour it on a plant, it's going to kill it. So bleach is, but I can make that claim. But the difference between an eco-friendly product and a not eco-friendly product is that the claim is actually justified or accredited or signed off by an association or a recognised kind of accreditation. So what do those accreditations look like? So for our eco-friendly range that we offer in here, all of our products are EU Eco-Label accredited. So that means a sample of the product has been sent over to France, where the EU Eco-Label Council sits, and they assess whether the product is in fact eco-friendly. There's loads of data collected about the products, and as a provider to the royal households, we need to demonstrate that our products are in fact eco-friendly. So going down the line of, our products are accredited eco-friendly by the EU Eco Council means that the royal households do know that we provide products that are in fact accredited eco-friendly. So the EU Eco Council will assess whether the chemicals ingredients are eco-friendly, how that chemical has been made, manufactured, water wastage, what it's contained in. Is it contained in plastic, recycled plastic? Is it packaged appropriately in recycled paper? Is it transported in the most ecologically friendly manner? So that's kind of all the ways in which our products are accredited, and we obviously do a chemical range, including washing up liquid and even degreasers, but no sanitizers, because any kind of cleaner sanitizer or any kind of product that is BSAM 1276 will never be eco-friendly, because sanitizers kill things. So the whole thing, so they kill bacteria. So the whole thing about being eco-friendly is that you are not killing anything. So sanitizers can never be eco-friendly. So we do a whole chemical range, but we also do a soap range. We do paper. Most of the paper that comes through here is eco-friendly. So we've got a whole range of eco-friendly. So if you are looking to look after the earth and look after your family, then the eco-friendly range that we offer here is the way forward. And our standard kind of domestic toilet roll as standard, is offered as eco-friendly. We don't offer a non-eco-friendly toilet roll because that's not what we believe in. We put the environment at the heart of our business, so that means that wherever possible we are offering an eco-friendly range. So that's kind of what the difference between eco-friendly and not eco-friendly is. And here are some kind of top tips. So that kind of influencers and Instagram and Facebook have kind of come on my radar, and it's like, no, that's not true. So here's the first one. I'm just going to offer a few. There's loads in my blog, which you can find at www.astralhygiene/blogs, and you can find them on our website on the blogs tab. So it doesn't matter how many times your favourite influencer tells you to mix in a solution of vinegar and bicarbonate of soda. Those two cancel each other out. So what you'll actually be doing is cleaning with salt water, which in itself is a pretty good approach, but it's not going to be, you know, kind of supersonic powers like they're pretending to be. It doesn't, switching to plant-based cleaners doesn't mean that you have to clean your house with vinegar, which stinks, but you can use kind of our kind of eco-friendly products in our toilets at home. I use the eco-friendly toilet cleaner, the eco-friendly washroom cleaner. I use the eco-friendly washing up liquid, which is really quite bubbly. It's a really nice washing up liquid. So there's a whole kind of range of eco-friendly products which are no more expensive here than any of our other kind of products. You can obviously still be green without making your own products from scratch, just buy ours. And did you know that your toothbrush pot, although if you watched my last blog, those people who are following us properly will know that your toothbrush pot doesn't have to be full of bacteria, but let me go back to my original point. Your toothbrush pot, your kitchen sponge and your keyboards are dirtier than your toilet. However, here's a top tip for your kitchen sponge. After you finish using it, either stick it in the dishwasher with your cycle on a very, very hot wash, or pop it in the microwave for 10 seconds and that'll kill all the bacteria. So you heard that here first. And unless it's an allergen, cleaning brands do not have to disclose their ingredients or their fragrances, making it hard for you, the customer, to understand exactly what ingredients are in that product. So that makes it really difficult for you to understand, is this product eco-friendly, is it not eco-friendly, have they disclosed the entire ingredients or not. So if you're looking for a good eco-friendly product that you know is accredited, that you can trust and that you know will do the job, that you know that's gone through Astral Hygiene's renowned quality control, get it here, get it at astralhygiene.co.uk. Thanks so much. See you next week.